Alright, let's go to the National Stadium to watch Jamaica take on Honduras in the CONCACAF Nations League. It's the final match of the group stage. We're all but through to the quarterfinals, but we still need to see what's going on. Before we watch the game though, because you don't know where more content to come match the vlog and all of that. Make us see the vibes staying at the stands, make us see the fans that deal with, make us see how much people come. Let's go. Oh, but before we go, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all of that. Share the video to 5 people. Get us these subscribers. Me work with that. Forward.
Let's go, Reggae boys! Let's go! Alright, another Jamaica fan, and I decided Sports TV fan. First of all, tell the people them where they are set to me a while ago.
You need to do more live. You're on the gun, on the thing right. I gotta be a premiere and a premiere. You need to do more live.
So, I interact with the people them more.
Like with the afraid of fans them now.
I'm not afraid of the fans now, but they know so we have to do a video and prepare it from before.
When they have the live and not going with something, you get me what I say? We make some boy other brother kick out in the teeth now, brother. With the live, they would have to deal with the live then, brother. Alright,
we take the constructive criticism, we're going to start the more live. Introduce yourself real quick.
Yeah, I'm man of God from Reggae Boys community.
Okay.
Yeah.
You there with
Reggae Boys community.
You there watch the match there? You with the family?
Yeah, we're there with my little daughter and my sister.
Alright, so big Reggae Boy fan. First of all, tell me your favorite player on this national team, man.
Lambo Keys is my favorite Reggae Boy, but I have much respect for Bobby Reid.
Bobby Reid?
Yeah, because Bobby Reid, I feel Bobby Reid have a different set of loyalty to the national team. You understand?
Have you seen the starting lineup?
Yeah, I see the starting lineup.
What do you think about the lineup?
Boy, the coach do pick something different last time and it worked, so we'll see what I go on with the do it, but the coach surprised enough time with the starting lineup. He never had the starting lineup we expect, but I feel like Bobby would do the play, but Bobby would not play. And he have Maggie in at 10, we think him with the right, and him have Norman Campbell, but so he have to rotate the squad. And it's a very hectic part when you're coming from 4 days traveling from one next country to another, so he have to rotate the squad. So I understand why I pick his squad.
We're here with some Reggae Boys fans here. Can you guys introduce yourself?
I'm Misty.
I'm Jordan. Justin. Landon.
And
Naz.
Naz. Alright, so you guys are here. Where are you from? Where are you guys from?
We're from Florida. I am.
Yeah, Destin, Florida.
Oh, you guys are from Florida?
I'm from Alabama.
So how do you guys find yourself here at the National Stadium?
Swam.
You guys swam across the Caribbean.
We're here
on a long swim
trip.
On a mission trip.
Yeah,
do you want to tell the people more about that?
Yeah, we're just down here loving on people. We're doing things in Kingston. We're doing things in Chapelton and just shedding the love of the Lord abroad and living love and loving light. That's what we're doing.
So are you guys massive football fans or soccer fans, I should say?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So big USMNT fans?
Oh yeah, USA for sure. Landon Donovan, that's my guy. That's not even playing anymore.
Alright, well, you know, USA is one of our biggest rivals in CONCACAF.
Oh no, he doesn't know, we know.
Oh yeah, you guys. So how do you find yourself cheering for such a big CONCACAF rival?
Because we're here, man. We're here and we love football.
Now that you've seen the squad, how do you think the game are going to play out today?
The game are play up. We are going to attack, but we are going to attack very well. I feel like the transition would be very well. But however, the game is rise and stand on the transition. How Lati Bodier perform today, because I feel like he's going to play the 6. But it's how he performed today, how the transition will go. I understand. I want to see Campbell more link up better with the front three. But with Maggie, I feel like Maggie can unlock that thing. He showed me the last time, I never believe in him the last time. But he showed me something, and I hope he can bring back that type of performance for him doing the last time.
You guys are all decked out in your colors, alright? So we're not here to talk about USA, we're here to talk about the Reggae Boys.
That's right.
Do you know anybody on our team?
I know Leon Bailey, I know Mikel Antonio. I don't know if he's on the squad right now, but he's starting today. Is he? Yeah. Andre Blake in goal. I used to play goalkeeper, so I know him. He's awesome. The other guy that plays for Everton, I don't remember his name, but
played for Everton, DeMar Gray.
Yeah, DeMar Gray. Yep, that's my brother. He's a footballer too.
1 second, yeah. Yeah, alright, so
Now we're here.
You're from Florida as well?
As well.
What are some of your expectations for today's game?
I'm hoping that we don't just get a tie. We've been doing a good job of getting a tie or losing by 2, so I'm hoping that Jamaica pulls it out by 1 within the last 10 minutes.
Alright, last 10 minutes?
Last 10. It's going to be exciting last 10.
Who do you have to score the goal or goals for you?
I call Leon Bailey to Mikel Antonio header into the goal.
Leon Bailey's not here today, so you want
not
to play.
today?
No.
Well, I'm screwed. I don't know.
All right.
We'll win 2-1, 2-0.
All right, and this Nations League, you guys would have. I'm not sure if you were watching the match a couple of months ago when you guys beat us in the very last seconds of the game.
Yeah.
Broke my heart.
I'm sorry.
Do you think Jamaica will come and win this year's Nations League, or do you think you guys will have it
Very
again?
possible. They're building. I mean, Jamaica's strong. They keep building with good players. I think it's possible, man.
All right, guys, you heard it here from a USA fan themselves that Jamaica will win the Nations League. Thank you, guys. All right, lastly, give me the scoreline prediction.
3-0 Jamaica.
3-0 Jamaica?
Yeah.
All right, people, you heard it here. All right, pick up a ball. Come on. Number 3. Here's the work here. Alright, before the kick-off of the second half, we're with another reggae boy fan. First of all, how you enjoyed the first half?
First half has been a little bit lackluster. Jamaica playing conservative, wondering if they're working for the point or what, but much boring so far.
Will you be satisfied with a point against Honduras in National Stadium?
No. 2 times I come to stadium now, don't score a goal. That don't look good. As a Jamaican fan, we come out for cheer, we come out for see goals, and now we can't deliver.
Alright, so the match just kick off. The second half just kick off. What do you think needs to be changed in the second half in order for us to go out and get 3 points?
To be honest, the midfield has been a little bit out of place. Palmer, Latibodier, Maggie not working together as a unit in the mid-pitch. So I think if we can get that together a little bit better, I think we should see a more attacking play and should get some goals because we have quality players out there.
What do you think about the fact that Honduras has had so many opportunities? Does that worry you at all?
Why, I wonder if plans for key to it. Honduras, them worse than Jamaica because they get a bigger chance and can't score. So hopefully we can get something out of the match.
And last, do you think we will turn it around in the second half?
I hope we can find it.
Alright, my boss.